So dear students, so now we'll solve previous year question paper problems. So from 2014, the first question I have selected as 2014 March. Here I have written this. Directly I'll read the question now. Prove that B plus C, in the row wise always I'll read B plus C, A, B, C plus A, B, C, A plus B is equal to 4ABC. Now, students can ask me, of course, there are two possibilities. I may ask you to prove this without using expansion in the beginning stages of the problem, or totally without using expansion. See, most students what they do, B plus C, this is the determinant LHS we have taken. So again here pre-surgery, that is before surgery or before operation, this is the body. Now here afterwards it is important for you to learn how to select the operations. How to select the operations, I'll tell you. Now, number one, to prove that the answer is 4ABC. Now some students think that no sir, for us it will be easy that we will expand by R1. That is a plus, minus, plus. Okay. You expand and you can prove this answer. But one thing you remember, it's a damn sure, definitely it consumes a lot of time. Sometimes your answer may be simplifier than the required answer. Or sometimes that means you may get better answer than this 4ABC. Too simplified. So sometimes it is very difficult to exactly get 4ABC also. So it may take a lot of simplification time. So what I have decided, number one, remember to tackle such examples, always remember the small, I'll tell you. First, number one, determinant, first search for the common factor. Once the common factor is taken out, the enemy will be kneeled down. It is very easy to defeat him after that. No. Sir, common factor is not possible. Then at least try to make some elements zero. Suppose I'll tell you A and B, C plus A and B, and C, A plus B. Some elements, but remember, I've given you freedom. We have a freedom to subtract also. Some students, what they do, sir, I'll go for C2 minus C1. That means C2 minus C1, A minus A, this will become 0. Some students will think that, sir, I'll go for C1 minus C3. C1 minus C3, like this. This will become 0. Of course, if the elements are 0 means, what happened? If the elements are becoming 0 means, the enemy body parts are becoming weak, like corner element. And that to be corner elements are 0 means, like this type of edges, like this type of, this will become very weak. So body parts are going to become weak, 0 means. Or some body parts are non-functional. If some body parts are non-functioning, definitely win over enemy is always easy. And some students will take, sir, I'll go for C1 minus C2. These are so multiple, see, 1, 2, 3 surgeries. So that means to achieve 0, C1, see, this will become 0. That means definitely 3 surgeries cannot be done, because we have always remember it. One student, sir, I'll go for C2 minus C1. C2 minus C3. One student say that C1 minus C3 I'll go. C1 minus C3. Other student will take that, sir, C1 minus C2 I'll go. Since you have 3 columns, you cannot do 3 surgeries. Why you cannot do 3 surgeries? I told you once again, before taking the body to the operation theatre, bringing after operation theatre, the body should have minimum 1 row or 1 column. If you do these operations, entire body will get changed. entire body will get changed. That should not be, that should not happen. So that's what, dear students, look here. What I want to suggest you in this problem, I'll just tell you. So to tackle these examples, first understand why we need to do surgery. Always why the doctor will do surgery? To make you free from the pain, to make you free from the disease. So what type of surgery I have decided? Now, this is the body, original body. Listen to me. See, R1 is there. Once again I am writing B plus C. Always try it. Your first preference is take common factor. First preference you give it to how to take common factor. Why I am telling you? If common factors are taking means the biggest friendship of enemy has been removed. When the enemy's friends are removed, enemy becomes weak. If the enemy becomes weak, it's very easy to fight with him. Sometimes common factor, all friends of the enemy are very strong. Sometimes common factor is not there. Then at least try to make corner elements 0 by subtracting the elements. Corner elements are 0 means, see in the body parts like joint, this joint, if it is become weak or it is functionless, I cannot lift my hand. So enemy definitely will not operate like this side, this one or this one, knee joints. So corner elements will make it as 0. As much as possible you make it 0, then definitely determinant will become weak. Then you can find out the enemy will become very weak. Then you can easily, we can defeat him after that. Okay, B plus C, A, B, C plus A, B, C and C, A plus B. I'll tell you what I'll do. In R1, that is R1, I'll subtract R2 plus R3. R2 plus R3 first I'll do. R2 plus R3 because your property says that you can add, subtract, anything you can do, the value will not disturb. First I'll take R2 plus R3. R2 plus R3 means B plus C. In R1 I'll subtract that result. That means in R1 I'll subtract the result of R2 plus R3. The first element becomes 0. That means any work started with loss, definitely loss only. Enemy, the beginning element has become 0. That was my plan. Suddenly don't tempt it yourself. Some students, what happen now? They see equal elements, they go for operation. Sometimes, even though some elements are making 0, enemy will be stronger. That's what is the operation I performed here, you see. Look at it. So what is the operation I am going to do? That it takes some time to understand. That's what you have to be very, very cautious. Look here. So this is the operations and all I'm going to do now. Once again, I'll keep it ready. Here, B plus C, A. This is before B, C plus A, B. And C, A plus B. This is before operation. This is LHS before operation or surgery. This body. In this body only I am doing operation. What is the operation I've decided? R1 minus R2 plus R3. Okay. After I am doing some operation R1 minus R2 plus R3. Some operation. Definitely after operation, this is the body. So rows means we have to work on rows only. Space for row 1, space for row 2, space for. First unchange. This is the operation I am doing now. This is the type of surgery I am doing in this. R1 minus R2 plus R3. So, what is unchanged? First ask yourself how many rows are there? R1. 3 rows are there in the original body. In that first, in the type of surgery you see here, R1. First this is R1. That you cancel. That R1 you cancel it here. These are 2 unchanged. First unchanged are what? Second row, third row. B, C plus A, B, C, A plus B. Beginners, first you learn this technique. Now, that is before operation, after operation. Minimum 1 row and 1 column should be unchanged. Yes, correct. Now surgery. Now I'm going to work on surgery, and after surgery, I'm going to write the result on R1 only. That means here. That's all. Only one place I have. Only one row is left empty in the new determinant. So R1 minus R2. Here how to take R1 B plus C minus B plus C. B plus C minus B plus C. That will become 0. Here A minus C plus A minus, look at it, A minus C plus A plus C. That means A minus 2C minus A get cancelled, minus 2C. And A minus 2B plus A minus 2B, that is minus 2B. This is, that means here before of surgery, the row 1 was this. After surgery, the row 1 is like this. That is the new row 1. First row newly formed. Therefore, here I have written here. The new R1 dash means the new R1 can be achieved. The new R1 can be obtained by doing the surgery R1 minus R2 plus R3. Okay, then I have written this. Now this is over. Now this is our original body now. This is our original body. Please try to look at this one. Now once again. So this is our original body. Look at here. That is completed now. So a new R1 is formed. Now this is the after. See, look at like this also. You can think. Now after operation, he has come to home. This is now presently original person is like this. Now in that what I'll do. Look at. In the first row, observe this. In the first row, minus 2 is common factor. I have taken outside 0, C, B, rest all same. Same step I have written here. LHS is equal to minus 2, 0. Now, this is gone. This is gone. Now, this is the present body. Present original body. Original. Now, after operations, now the person in the house is present original. This is the, in that I have decided to do once again operation. On this, I want to do surgery. This is now before operation. Now once again this fellow is now original. Now again there is some problem. I want to do once again some operation on that. Before operation or before surgery. Before. Now what is that? What I have decided. Sir, why you have taken? Again this is minus 2. Look here, minus 2. 0, C, B, B, C plus A and B, C, C, A plus B. Don't get tempted by the equal elements. Immediately looking at here. See here, C, C. Students will think that C1 minus C2. Here you see that. B, here B. They think that we'll go for C1 minus C3. No. Sometimes after making some body parts are weak, even though enemy will be very strong. You have, see left hand side, this edge, you made me weak by hitting. But I have my right hand. I can fight with right hand. That's what sometimes making weak some body parts, also enemy becomes stronger. Be careful. Now what I'll do? Now I'll do, so this is the surgery I have decided now. 2 surgeries now I am doing in this body, on this body. In this body, I am doing 2 surgeries. What is that? Surgery number 1, R2 minus R1. And surgery number 2, R3 minus R1. Definitely after surgery, definitely rows, after surgery new body will form, space for row 1, space for row 2, space for 2 surgeries I want to do. So now you tell me why you have taken R2 minus R1. So why I have taken R2 minus R1, I'll tell you. See, R2 minus R1 means here you observe that B, this is B. Here C plus A, like this we are going. Here this is, that means dot I'll put, this will element will become 0. C plus A minus C, this will become A. And after that R3 minus R1 I am going like this, R3 minus R1. C minus 0, that C minus C, this will become 0. And that means major 2 elements will become 0. Okay then. First surgery, R2 minus, now unchanged we have to see. First surgery, how many rows are there? R1, R2, R3. In the first surgery, R2 is visible, remove it. In second surgery, R3 is visible, remove it. Then definitely R1 is unchanged. that is -2. R1 is unchanged here, 0, C. So on this body you are doing surgery. That means minimum after surgery 1 row and 1 column. Now surgery. R2 minus R1, result will be entered in R2. R2 minus R1, look at here. R2 minus R1, B minus 0, B. C plus A minus C, C. B minus B, 0. See, dead, one corner element 0. This is 0. This is 0. Next, first surgery. That's what. See here, BC plus AB, BC, that is new row has been formed here. New second row. Next, R3 minus R1. R3 minus surgery matrili martadi. R3 minus R1 surgery madri. Result should be entered into R3. Okay. See here, I'm going to change the color now with red ink. C minus 0. C. C minus C, 0. A plus B minus B, A. Finished. Enemy has become very weak. One corner element, second corner element, third corner element. This is means the stomach. And these are edges. Edges andre elli now hands lift martirti, fold martirti, ಆ place weak agade. See, that is the what? And the hand, if this joint has become paining, it's very difficult to fight. Now, that's all. This is what I've written here. That's what you see here. B, C plus A, B here, second row, B, A, new row. New row, second row has been formed by taking R2 minus R1. And new R3 has been formed by taking the surgery, doing the surgery R3 minus R1 in the original body. Yes. Now, expanding along first row. You expand it plus 0, leave it minus C into AB, again 0 plus B into 0 minus AC. That is minus ABC, minus ABC, minus 2ABC. Outside minus 2 is there, therefore the answer is 4ABC. My dear students, please take down this and immediately I'll go for 2014. 2014. I'll go for 2014. One more question. Yes. So I'll be solving one more example. 2014. That was the March question paper. Now I'll go for June question paper. So this is so here June 2014 question paper. Once again, that means one, look at it. Prove that. Directly read the question. X plus Y plus 2Z XY, Z Y plus Z plus 2XY, Z X Z plus X plus 2Y. This is the answer to be proved. 2 times of X plus Y plus Z whole cube. So I think in 2018 and 2018, both the year he has asked again, repeated this question. Look at it. So LHS have taken. The enemy is very tough. Don't see it immediately. All of you see now. Don't see that Z is visible. So R2 minus R3, one element becomes 0. R1 minus R3, one more element becomes 0. R1 minus R2, one more element becomes 0. No, all 3 rows will change. No, that is not correct. So this is the original body. This is the original body now. Look here. This is the original. In that we are going to do. Later what happened, I told you once again. To tackle such a tough enemy, first common factors. So what is that common factor? See, you want to fight with the enemy, there are 2 points. One, you take his support. Common factor means his strongest supports like friends, those who are giving money to him, those who are giving food to him. First you take them out. So when the supporters goes, enemy will become definitely weak. That's what I'll search for the common factor. What is the common factor? Look at here. In that, I decide to add C1 plus C1 plus, here you see that, C1 plus C2 plus C3, I've decided. C1 plus C2 plus C3. Okay. C1 plus C2 plus C3, I've decided. Why, sir? Why you tell me? So C1 plus C2 like this. You have to go like this, no? So here, C1 plus C2 plus C3. Why I've decided is C1x, x plus x, 2x, y plus y, 2y plus 2z. That means 2x plus 2y plus 2z you'll get. Here also see that z plus z, 2z plus 2y plus 2x. That means again 2x plus 2y plus 2z you get. Here z plus x plus z plus x plus 2y. That means you get 2z, 2z's, 2x and 2y. That means definitely in one row or one column 2x plus 2y plus 2z you will get. That can be taken outside. When you take the common factor, definitely enemy support has been taken. When enemy support is gone, enemy will become weak. Okay, that I have decided. Now what I'll do, look at here. What I'm going to change this operation now. You try to understand. Look at here. Now I've decided to go for what is the surgery I want to do on this body. So here, this is the surgery I would decide to do on this body. Now this is the original body. Look here. This is the original body. That surgery. So here I am going to do the surgery, but after surgery, this is the body, is a new body. First, what is this? C1 plus C2 plus C3. C1 plus C2 plus C3 I want to do. Definitely what is unchanged we'll see here. C1, how many columns are there you write? C1, C2, C3. First in the surgery, first you see that what type of surgery you are going to take. C1 plus, first visible is C1. C1 you remove it. C2 and C3 will be unchanged. So that means, see this is X, this is C2 and C3 unchanged from original body. This is here X, X. Y plus Z plus 2X, Y plus Z plus 2X and again X. Y, 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 Y and this is. That means this is unchanged. Now we'll do the surgery. What is the surgery I'm doing? C1 plus C2 plus C3. Definitely this is after surgery. This is after surgery. So I'll add, this is the type of surgery I'm doing, C1 plus C2 plus C3. After that, after adding, you'll get some result. That result will be written on C1 only. I'm going to write here C1. Okay then, that is new C1 will be formed. That is here I have written here. New C1 will be formed by doing the surgery C1 plus C2 plus C3 here on the original body. Okay, add it. C1 plus C2 means here like this. X plus Y plus 2Z plus X plus Y. That means here 2X, 2Y's, 2Z. Like 2 I have taken common factor. Here also C1 plus C2 plus C3. 2X plus 2Y plus 2Z you get. Again C1 plus C2 plus C3. Z plus X plus Z. Then 2Z's, 2X, 2Y's. 2 I have taken. That means here in the column 1, 2 times of X plus Y plus Z is common factor. First, I have taken common factor here. 2 times of X plus Y plus Z common factor. Finished. Once the common factor is taken out, you are taking strongest supporters of your enemy. Once the supporters of enemy are moved away, the isolated enemy, the cornered enemy cannot fight. Cornered enemy cannot fight. So 1, 1, column wise 1, 1, remaining 2 columns same. Now finished. This is gone. This is gone. Now this is original now. Original. This much is now after forced surgery. The person is at home now. Now I'm going to do one more surgery on this. So he came back. Now the present person, he stayed at home for some days. Now he had got some more problems. I want to do one more surgery on him now. This is the person. Now this is gone. So this one I'll remove it so that this operation I can show it here for you. I can just show it for you. Look at here. What is that? What is the surgery I want to do now? This all 2 times of this. Look here. And so that it will be helpful for me. So that it can. My dear students, try to understand this. definitely, yeah. Now see, yes, what you can show it here now. Look at it. This is the, so on this body I'm doing surgery, new body will be. Sir, what operation are we going to do now? I'm taking R2 minus R1, two surgeries, R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1. Sir, tell me why you are doing, what is the benefit of doing this surgery? Yes, R2 minus R1, look here, R2 minus R1, if I go, the dot, this will become 0. Y plus Z plus 2x minus x means it will become x plus y plus z. Y minus y means this will become 0. And here again R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1, this will become 0. X minus x will become 0. So that means 1, 2, 3. Principal diagonal one side elements will become 0. When principal diagonal one side elements are become 0, the value of the determinant easily can be calculated by multiplying the diagonal elements. So answer remains. So this one, if at all you want, I'll write here the present body is what here? 2 times of, I'll write here 1 x y. I'll write present body 1 y plus z plus x, y plus z plus 2x, and again y, and again 1 x, I'm writing here x, and z plus x plus 2y. This is the present body now, original body. In that outside is 2 times of x plus y plus z. This will be LHS is equal to. Now what is the operation I'm taking? Okay. R2 minus R1, and I'll tell you how to enter. Now this is the new after post operation. I'm doing operation on this body. Operation on this body. And this is after operation body. After operation. After operation, now we take it. Space. Now we are working on rows, no? Therefore, space for row, space for second row, space for third row. First surgery, R2 minus R1. Unchanged. How many rows are there? R1, R2, R3. In first surgery, what is visible? In first place. In first surgery, first place R2 is visible. Remove this. In second surgery, first place, what is visible? R3. Remove this. That means the remaining will be unchanged. R1 is unchanged. So you write here 1 x y. See here on this body, no? So before operation, after operation, minimum 1 row and 1 column should be unchanged. Now perform the operation. So perform the R2 minus R1. Come on here. R2 minus R1 like this. R2 minus R1 0. 1 minus 1 0. You have to enter the result in R2. And then R2 bartadiga. New R2 0. Y plus z plus 2x minus x. That means x plus y plus z. Next, y minus y 0. That is, see, new R2. See, new R2. Here you see that R2. New R2 been formed by R2 minus R1. First surgery is over. Second surgery. R3 minus R1 I'll do. R3 minus R1 I'll do. R3 minus, but result will be entered in R3. That means new R3 will be formed. How you new R3 will be formed? Taking third row minus second row. Here in the old body. This is the operation on this body. Okay. R3 minus R1 0. X minus x 0. Z plus x plus 2y minus y. That is x plus y plus z. My dear students, remember it once again. Finish. This is the principal diagonal. One side of principal diagonal elements have become 0. Then for answer is what? Determinant can be multiplying the diagonal elements. 1 into x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z whole square. Outside already 2 into x plus y plus z is there. And this is x plus y plus z whole square. That means 2 times of x plus y plus z. This answer is x plus y plus z whole square. Therefore, the answer is 2 times of x plus y plus z whole cube. That is equal to RHS. Dear students, be cautious, and definitely in the revision, in the classrooms, definitely you can understand. And these are important first. See, R2 minus R1 doing is not a big thing. Why we have to do R2 minus R1? What is the benefit? What is the benefit if I take that? So we want we want to defeat the enemy, spending minimum energy and defeating in very early, in less time, using minimum energy. That is the reason we do these operations. Thank you, dear students.